Hello beautiful people, this is the last cooking show in our trilogy and we're going to have a big finish. Lechon Kawali. Okay, so the man in the hat and the cravat is back. Lechon Kawali. First thing first, we need to boil the pork, and we have a cut of pork belly that's about 1.1 kilos, so it's a bit over 2 pounds, so it's pretty big. I'm going to halve some garlic and halve an onion and throw them in the water. And also I'm going to put in some whole black peppercorns. They're pretty hard to see. And we'll also use about 4 or 5 bay leaves, which are also known in this country as laurel leaves. For that, some more, lovely. And now, pop in, I'll do it with my hand, just pop in the meat. And we're going to leave this to boil away for about half an hour. While we're waiting for the lechon to boil, it's going to boil away for about half an hour, and then we'll take it out and let it cool, and then we'll deep fry it. I just thought I'd take the opportunity to remind you that if you're enjoying these culinary adventures, please, what should people do, Em?
Subscribe, like, and share, comment down below.
Oh good, and if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow. Ooh, that smells really nice. We are going to do a live stream Q&A, beautiful people. It's going to happen, and it's going to be at 9 p.m. this Saturday. I know it's a terrible time for California, which it's about 6 a.m. in California, but you know, 25% viewing from California, 60% of viewing from the Philippines. So 9 p.m. And if people in America aren't happy with it, I could do another one at a better time for the States. But this first one will be 9 p.m. this Saturday, and hopefully I can sort out all the technical issues. So I hope to see you then. All right, the pork has been boiling, the lechon has been boiling for about 30 minutes, and we think that it's about right. Oh, it's such big pieces of pork. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to let them cool for probably about 30 minutes, and then we're going to salt them, and then we're going to deep fry them. So the lechon has cooled down a bit, and so we're going to rub it with salt, and this will help to make it really crisp when we cook it. Put a little bit more on the skin so that we get that really nice and crisp. And what we'll do when the oil has heated up, we'll put them in upside down first. So the oil is ready. Bit of shit in there. And I'll do this. Ready? Alright. So you need to be really careful when you do this and use the lid as a shield. And I'm balancing the lid on top just to stop the splatter. And so what we're going to do, because we've got 1.2 litres of oil in there, we've turned the lechon in skin down, and we're going to cook that until it's really crisp, and then we're going to turn them and cook the top part. We've just checked the lechon and the skin seems to be pretty crisp. Ooh, so we're going to turn it, and the safest way to do that will be to take it out completely and then put it back in. So take the first one out. Oh, the second one. Oh, they're looking nice and crisp. Wow. Okay. And then put them back in. So the other side cooks. So we've done the bottoms, the other end, and we've decided that the skin's not crispy enough, and so we're going to pop it back in, skin down, for another 5 or 10 minutes. You can see it needs a bit more. I think they're done, so we're going to take them out. This is it. Oh yeah, they look good. So we'll just let them drain. Let them drain and cool down a bit. We're going to slice the pieces. We've sliced them in half, and now we're slicing them into bite-sized pieces, I suppose. Lechon Kawali. Unfortunately, this is the last in our trilogy of cooking shows, so it's time to hang up the hat and the cravat. But first, let's try. Ooh, it looks really good. And we've got a Mang Tomas all-purpose kind of Kawali dipping sauce here, and of course rice. The dipping sauce is made of liver, vinegar and sugar. It's quite sweet. And the pork's tender. And it smells delicious. And now for the all-important crunch test. A crispy skin. It's a very simple meal, but it's very nice. That's the end of our cooking trilogy. Thanks for watching. Take 47. I just thought I'd take the opportunity to remind you that if you're enjoying our culinary adventures, please
subscribe, like and share. Don't